Welcome to our hardware guide exploring computer memory. Today, we look at the core differences between a hard disk and RAM. Both are vital, yet they serve opposite purposes in your system. While RAM provides fast, temporary space for open apps like games, the hard drive offers long-term storage for files and photos. Let us break down these unique functions. RAM acts as your computer's digital desk, holding short-term memory for active tasks like web browsing or gaming. Unlike permanent storage, it clears when you power down. More RAM lets you run multiple heavy apps smoothly without frustrating lag. RAM operates at lightning speed, handling data in nanoseconds to easily outperform slow storage drives. This incredible performance, however, requires a much higher financial investment per gigabyte. For example, upgrading your memory is quite costly compared to buying a standard hard drive. Hard disk drives are essential storage devices for keeping your files, programs, and operating systems safe over the long term. Unlike temporary RAM, an HDD retains all your saved data even when the computer completely powers off. For example, it securely stores your family photos, games, and documents for years, ready to open whenever you need them. Today, modern solid-state drives have largely replaced traditional mechanical hard disks. Available on platforms like the Samsung Storage Portal, SSDs offer much faster data transfer rates. By using flash memory instead of spinning magnetic disks, they instantly load heavy apps or transfer massive files with ease. This comparison table clearly shows the main trade-offs between RAM, SSD, and HDD. You will notice how speed naturally drops as storage capacity and cost efficiency go up. For instance, fast RAM handles active apps, while cheap HDDs store huge files. Every part balances your PC's overall performance. Think of a data flow workflow like cooking a meal in your kitchen. First, the CPU grabs ingredients from the hard drive, just like fetching veggies from the fridge. Next, it chops them on the RAM cutting board for fast work. Finally, leftovers go back to the fridge for storage. To wrap things up, think of RAM